Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Stop delaying and inventory check the essentials because time lost costs fights. Gather your 5 priority items and assign them to consistent slots. This reduces fumbling. Next, bind 2 hotkeys, one for primary, one for backup, so you can react instantly. Once done, inspect each item's condition. Durability, ammo, and cooldowns matter. Make sure to discard broken or redundant pieces. Good gear space prevents clutter and keeps your flow smooth when the tempo spikes. You now execute the core loop. Use items to create synergy and maintain pressure. First, identify which effects stack versus overwrite, combine buffs that amplify damage or sustain, and avoid canceling mechanics. Then, time your defensive consumables just before incoming big hits, while timing offensive tools to punish openings. Position aggressively to force mistakes, place traps, deploy barriers, or bait with a decoy. Once you've established these rhythms, keep cycling items purposefully so each use builds toward the next advantage. You finish fights by committing your best resource combinations to secure quick closes. Commit decisively to avoid prolonged exchanges. Once the fight ends, reset. Repair gear, restock consumables, and reposition within 30 to 90 seconds to retain tempo. If something goes wrong, items misfire or don't trigger, check your bindings, verify priority order, and confirm cooldown timers. A wrong key or misordered loadout is often the culprit. Make small fixes immediately, then re-enter with the same disciplined loop to prevent repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.